Ethic alongside system PETRA.
Oh boy, it rough for me alone. I can't wait until Petra get here to help me out in the yard. Boy, I'm tired. Only thing that woman doing in the house is lay down every day. Me alone in this big old yard doing everything. I'm tired of it now, man. I'm tired of it. Every morning I have to get up feeding fowl, weeding up yard and everything. And that woman in the house sleeping. Now me have to go to the farm me alone. It's terrible for me, man. I'm tired of it, man. Wonder how far Petra reach. You should leave out already. My wife, I'm going to the farm and come back. And that woman not paying me any mind, you know. She not even answer me. I'm tired of her too, you know, man. When I road, if you take a son, you go to the whole world. Everyone road, brother.
Yes, alright. Yeah, cool. Oh, God, the man don't use the attack. So if you tell him, say, one road. Don't lie, no? Look how the road stay bad down there, so. The rain come and wash you, brother. Him not easy at all. It look like we have got them bad straight. But me not gonna work on me. I'm afraid I police them like what? Lord have mercy. Hope they say I know, you know. He say, Lord God, mama, she no easy, you know. Yesterday she never sound too right, like she want me come up there, you know. But me not even go pay her no mind. Cause if Papa want me come, me just have to do what Papa say. Mama need to relax herself, you know, full time for Mama cut out them behavior there, you know. A full time. Me her granddaughter, what she afraid for me come out of the house to take care of them for? Well, Papa say, I'm going to pay me, so me say, go and me need the money. Him stay there. I call Papa to make him know, say, me left out already. Mama have to relax herself, and that she fi do. The taxi man, him no easy at all. Me no wrong your master, cause the road really stay bad. Hello? Papa want.
Good morning. Who is this?
I'm me, Petra, man. Yes, me leave out early because Trey said me when to come up, so me just leave out early. I want come up to you, know, because me never see no taxi when me a come. So me soon reach.
Okay, my daughter. I'm down at the ground doing some work. So I'll see you when time you come.
Okay. No problem. Me just a call if I make you know so me soon reach still. So mama do what mama do? She did it. Alright. Alright then, we'll see you in a little while. Alright, Papa. Little bit. Cool. Me said that means said the taxi man. Then would all the race fear, then I went out to the roads.
Finally, I can get to rest in my bed now. I can live some lavish life, you know. Now if you get up early in the morning again.
Grandfather.
Go on, my daughter.
What's up?
They are doing some little work here in the farm.
So earlier coming on the field, grandfather?
Yes, me have to come because if you can see, the thing them are growing up.
Yes, and the farm get big, man.
Yes, my daughter.
My God, so why you never stay in your bed too when me come? Could the amount of work you do from morning?
I feel do whole heap of work here, my daughter. And me alone, nobody not there to help me. And that woman, the only thing she do is lay down in her bed because she shaky, you know.
Grandfather, you have to be careful when you say about grandmother, you know, because I don't want her to hear the two of we, you know.
Yes, my daughter, but it's the truth. It's very shaky.
So, but me not hear yesterday, she said she don't want me to come.
Why?
Everything alright?
She attacked me over the situation. She said she don't want you here, you know.
Me know she stay, man. Me know
Because she behaving like say she's a young girl.
And that me notice.
Yes.
And that me notice. She not easy.
She can't admit the fact that she getting up in age and she shaky.
Then she not say grey hair take her over.
Yes. But she feel like she's a young girl same way. And she cannot move around like how I can move around, you know.
What you say, grandfather, eh?
Yes, I have to be doing everything for her now and I'm tired, man, I'm tired.
You look tired, grandfather. Me not really like how you look. So, you know what, make you go down?
Yes, my daughter, take up the hoe there. We go
okay.
home. We go home,
Take your time, grandfather.
Tired, man, me tired. The bone them not so good again.
Yeah, do a good job still. That's how you go, grandfather. Me know them
my daughter.
Wait, grandfather, I'm going to get you, yeah?
You're my child.
Alright, come. Take your time, man. Take your time. Take your time. Be careful.
Alright?
I'm good, grandfather. You know, I don't make nothing bad me, man.
Alright, you can go on in the house. You can go up here to go feed the dog them.
You feed the dog?
Yes, my child.
But that take too long, you know, grandfather.
I'll soon be there. I'm going to feed the dog them.
So you want me to carry the ogre put on for you?
Yeah, carry the cutlass to my daughter.
Okay. Alright.
I'll be there shortly.
Alright. So you better be careful coming because I don't want grandmother attack me.
Yeah, my daughter, I'm soon come.
Alright, grandfather. Grandma, Petra, me come. So you didn't hear me on the phone with your grandfather yesterday? You didn't hear I was telling him to tell you not to come here? Yes, grandma. Me hear you did a cussing at the background yesterday. You disobeying my rule and regulation now, Petra. Okay, you come to the right place. Grandfather tell me say you can't manage, you know, grandma. That's the reason why I come here. I don't want you here. I'm very sorry. I know your grandfather said that we cannot manage, but I don't see where we cannot manage. Look at me. He take care of me very well. I don't want to hear anything from you. I don't want to hear anything from you. He can manage. He's telling a lie. I don't want to hear. I'm very sorry. I cannot take anybody in my space. It's too much. I don't used to people up and down in my space. I can't deal with it. I talk to your grandfather and he won't listen to me, you know. I'm not going anywhere, you know, grandma. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to stay right here to help out you guys. What you saying to me? You're not going anywhere? Oh, Lord, have mercy upon me. You see all of these calamity you're bringing on me? It's just because I can't move the way I used to move, you know. You're testing my faith, you know, Petra. And you just got here. Lord have mercy. Help me with these young people. Oh, Jesus. Grandmother, my ears, they're very stubborn, you know. But I'm not going anywhere. I'm not leaving. I'm going to take care of the two of you. I don't want you to take care of me. I can take care of myself. If you want to take care of your grandfather, you will take care of him. But Don't sorry for me. I can take care of my own self. You understand? Well, since that's the two of you to cook up, to come here, for you to come here to steal my stuff, we will see. You come to the wrong address. I just cannot deal with you in my house. Your grandfather is very out of order. Hey! I'm going to wash the clothes, them, Grandma. Where you put them? You're not going to wash my clothes. Leave them in the bathroom. Don't touch them. You hear what I said, young lady? Get out of my house. I don't want anybody touch my clothes. Next thing I can't find me nightie. Me pink nightie. Grandma, me no come here for TV things, them, you know. Just show me where you put the clothes, them, Grandma. Grandma, stop behaving like that now. I can see you come here to rule me, but just because I cannot move, you think say I'm going to allow you to rule me in my own house. Don't make sure when you go in the bathroom you touch nothing but the clothes. You hear what I'm saying? And see if you can take all my clothes and put them aside. Go and wash for your grandfather. I don't want to in any argument with both of you. Remember to put my stuff aside. I will scrabble them for myself. Relax yourself now, Grandma. I don't want you to touch nothing for me. Just don't touch a thing for me. Go and deal with your grandfather alone. He's the one hire you. So you know that he's going to fire you though. He's going to fire you because he hired you in my house and I did not want you here. Jesus Christ, brother. I don't hell and powder house in this house here. I saw Grandma stay bad man after me never know so I say woman stay. She can't talk about me want tea for a pink night. I want them old people night here. My God. That's the reason why enough time people afraid to come take care of their old grandparents, you know. Because me don't know what wrong with them head. Look like her head a chip. Me don't know why she behave like that. An old woman like that. All she care about are the old vanity. Me don't know why people can't say no man. Who want them all sitting here? She can't talk about say, me I got tea for her pink nighty. Me I got tea for her pink nighty. I go wash them whether she like it or not. Me no care if she want to stay in the grumble. She lucky. She too miserable. And she the stress out grandfather with her little dirty ways. Poor people have to go out her things and fi go tea. What me want tea for you? You're lucky. I can't go wash them. Could amount of dirty clothes there. Can see say from when grandfather not throw them in a machine. I know me come to wash the woman and come talk about me a tea for her pink nighty. Why should not leave me alone? I don't know what that man tried to do to me at this age. What my husband doing to me? Hey! I told him after I told him yesterday not to bring this girl here. And it seems like she couldn't even wait for day to light to enter into my house. And then the first thing she wants to do is wash her clothes. Hey! And my pretty pink nightie is in there that I love. If I ever look and cannot find my nightie, she will see. My husband saying that I'm getting old and shaky and he's tired of working. When I was working, I wasn't complaining. He didn't know that I was tired as well. Bringing a stranger in my house to steal my stuff. I don't like these things, you know. And when I talk, people think that I am going crazy. They're saying that I'm mad. Talk about I have depression. Depression me hell. If I miss my stuff, me miss it. I guarantee you that that girl's planning to take me pink nightie in there. You can't imagine. Look at this pink nightie what grandma they talk about people want for thief. Look at this. And it not even look too bad neither, you know. But grandma they wear them a short sitting here. What she doing at them a sitting here? My granny. No wonder. Then look all I wash her. And grandma they come tell me want thief for a nightie. Where grandma have to go with her foolishness? A whole woman like that I wear short nightie and my grandfather all. Nah, she not easy. No, sir. Oh my God, Mr. My grandmother not easy. She thinks that she don't run me fryer. She can't run me fryer. Grandfather say, "Ma pay me." Oh, I mean I go make sure you me no get my money. I'm more my money. Oh, my money for buy food. Don't talk about you know what me. May your grand pick me what me I do to you. You see me I keep nothing for you. If Jesus go with me, I'll go. It's a good thing that grandma can't walk. Grandma, that come a peep. You see my mama, she sitting there good. Hey. Grandmother, so you think set up once you were young, but now you're old. You're gone back to baby stage. You have to relax yourself. Feel with time now. Yeah. If Jesus go with me, I'll go.
Sister Petra. Warrior for Jesus, warrior. Me a warrior for Jesus, oh. Satan, me a the word, the armor, the Bible, the sword, Holy Ghost inside. And me feel well proud, me a warrior for Jesus, oh. Warrior for Jesus, warrior. Me a warrior for Jesus, oh. Satan, me a the word, the armor, the Bible, the sword, Holy Ghost inside. And me feel well proud, me a warrior for Jesus, oh.
Man a warrior for Jesus, I'm a come up. When a breakthrough a come down a hell flat out. The devil work from night till sun come up. Fist up your blessing from flow like pulse syrup. You can't praise God with your heart still corrupt. Why you come a fasting with your cup turn up? You not live right but you still hug up. I rebuke that demon, it shall burn up.
Warrior for Jesus, warrior.